Fixing unnecessary prepositions. Improve your English. Hello there, English learners. Today, we're going to delve into a crucial part of grammar that even some native speakers stumble over: prepositions. In particular, we'll address a common mistake: the unnecessary prepositions. Let's get started. To start, we need to understand what a preposition is. A preposition is a word that shows a relationship between two elements in a sentence. They usually indicate relationships of time, place, direction, or manner. Common prepositions include in, at, on, for, with, by, and about, to name just a few. Example: he is in the park. She is coming at noon. Now, let's talk about unnecessary prepositions. These are prepositions that don't add any value or meaning to a sentence. They are surplus to requirements, and removing them will not change the meaning of the sentence. For example, incorrect: where is he at? Correct: where is he? In the incorrect sentence, at doesn't provide any additional necessary information, so we can drop it. Let's go through some more examples of unnecessary prepositions. Be sure to remember these, as they're quite common. 1. Incorrect: she left off the light. Correct: she left the light off. 2. Incorrect: meet me at the station. Correct: meet me at the station. 3. Incorrect: he is dependent on of his parents. Correct: he is dependent on his parents. Now it's time for you to put this into practice. Identify and correct the unnecessary prepositions in these sentences. 1. She met up with her friends at the mall. 2. He was unsure of where his keys were at. 3. It depends on of what time we arrive. 4. I will come to there at 6 p.m. 5. They sat down on the bench. Remember, the best way to improve is through constant practice. That's it for today's lesson on correcting unnecessary prepositions. Hopefully, this video has been helpful in improving your English grammar skills. With practice and attention to detail, you'll be able to avoid these common mistakes in no time. Keep up the good work, and I'll see you in the next video. Remember, English is a skill, and the more you practice, the better you get. Happy learning!